protest against air pollution at India Gate was not allowed by the Delhi police. Remember, the national capital has been facing toxic air quality for the last couple of days, and many agitated individuals had planned to protest over this and demand that the government take some action to resolve this yearly crisis, that annual crisis really that Delhi sees. However, the Delhi police issued an order stating that no demonstration can take place as the area is always under Section 163, which means it's preventive orders there and no gathering is allowed. That Jantar Mantar is the place to protest. That's what a senior police officer has said, saying that these specific rules have been framed by the Supreme Court. But the protest was planned after Delhi's air has been in the severe category for the last couple of days. In fact, many of those who attempted to gather at India Gate there, as you can see, holding up placards as well, talking about climate emergency and the right to clean air, many of them were taken away by the police.
इंडिया गेट एक प्रोटेस्ट साइट नहीं है। न्यू दिल्ली में डेजिग्नेटेड प्रोटेस्ट साइट है जंतर मंतर, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा डेजिग्नेट की गई है। जहां इंडिया गेट की बात है तो यहां पे किसी तरीके का प्रोटेस्ट अलाउ नहीं होता। आप भी देख रहे हैं, पब्लिक आ रही है, अपने फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय कर रही है। वी कैन नॉट मेक इट ए प्रोटेस्ट साइट। इसलिए सबको एडवाइस किया जाता है कि आप गाइडलाइन का फॉलो करें, रूल को फॉलो करें और सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा डेजिग्नेटेड ऑर्डर को भी फॉलो करें। और जंतर मंतर पे आप एप्लीकेशन लगा के देयर इज ए प्रोसीजर, उसके लिए आप प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं और वहां पे हम आपको परमिशन देते हैं।
यही कहना चाहूंगा कि हम ऐसी पॉलिसीज चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं सरकार से कि ऐसी पॉलिसीज बनाई जाए। आज हमारा एक्यूआई देखिए आप, यहाँ 600 एक्यूआई पहुंच चुका है और जब हम यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में देखते हैं वहां पे प्रोटेस्ट करने का सबको हक होता है, लेकिन यहाँ हम जब एक पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कोई नहीं सुनना चाह रहा है यहाँ पे और हमें यहाँ से निकाला जा रहा है। ये बहुत गलत तरीका है। हम किसी को हार्म नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम बस साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि चाहे कोई सी गवर्नमेंट हो, लेकिन इंसान कॉमन मैन यहाँ पे मर रहा है, कॉमन मैन यहाँ पे मर रहा है और कोई पॉलिसीज नहीं आ रही है। सरकार डेटा को छुपा रही है, जो हमारे डेटा सेंटर्स है उन पे पानी छिड़का जा रहा है, लेकिन कोई भी काम नहीं कर रहा है। पूरी वर्कफोर्स बिहार में लगा दी गई है, लेकिन हमारी जान का क्या, हमारी जान का क्या? हम क्या इसलिए मरने के लिए पैदा हुए हैं यहाँ पे? हमें परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन चाहिए।
Rather than taking concrete action, we actually see forces here shutting down a peaceful protest. What are people asking for? They're asking their right to breathe. We are talking about children have right to breathe in the capital of the country, where, just perhaps in 2 square kilometer radius, the most powerful people live. And last 15 days, we have not heard anything. There's no lockdown, there's no shutdown. There's some story or the other with regard to cloud seeding and something or the other. So it's a very, very unfortunate situation. It's a commentary on misgovernance or miscarriage of governance in the basic terminology.
Right, so many activists and individuals there gathered at India Gate to protest against the air pollution crisis. However, not allowed, and the Delhi police in fact have detained many of those protesters who are attempting to reach India Gate. As you can see, many of them sat there on the streets. However, the police claiming that this is a rule that was framed by the Supreme Court. In fact, that protest site in Delhi is at Jantar Mantar and no such gathering is allowed at India Gate. So many of those protesters who sat down on the road holding up placards there, taken away by the police. Well, let's go across to Shreya now, who joins us from India Gate. Shreya, what is happening over there now? This was a much publicized protest, and it was being, the location was being shared by many. And as many of those activists attempted to gather there, the police not allowing it, and they were taken away.
Absolutely. We saw a large number of people, be it the young, the student political groups, also senior citizens from several residential areas across national capital. They all arrived here in large numbers and they raised several relevant slogans such as AQI 400 पार, अब कहाँ है मोदी सरकार, हवा सरकारी नहीं सबका है, स्मॉग से आजादी. We understand that the air quality index continues to be in the very poor category. And the kind of action that has been taken by the Delhi government so far has not proven effective in tackling pollution. What do the people want? What do they demand? They feel betrayed at this point because of poor environmental governance for decades now. Delhi has topped global pollution rankings for over a decade. And at this point in time, the people here, they are pointing to systematic governance lapses as the dominant culprit. They want a major policy change instead of the government blaming stubble burning or the previous government. The people we spoke to here, the protesters, several young protesters, they are talking about inhaling poison and spoiling the health of the future generation because we understand pollution has a large detrimental effect, long-term detrimental effect on people's health from pregnancy to elderly. The PM 2.5, PM 10 particles are so, it's so small, it's so invisible in the naked eye that the political class is yet to recognize air pollution as a major health crisis or health emergency at this point in time. And the protesters here have been questioning the initiatives taken by the BJP-led Delhi government, the government that came into power promising that they will fix the air. And we saw several initiatives taken by them, be it the green crackers, then the cloud seeding, but they all have proven to be ineffective and a complete failure. And that is what people have been protesting for. They are demanding for accountability and for proper enforcement of these anti-pollution measures. We are talking about GRAP 2, GRAP 3. GRAP 3 is yet to be enforced. But GRAP 2 is there, but enforcement remains the biggest casualty. Back to you.